Hello guys, thank you so much for watching the video. And this is the video is One UI 7 officially announced by Samsung. This is not the beta version. So now you can go ahead and check your device setting and install the original One UI 7. What is designed for your phone. You should be able to see it in the setting. Something like this. This is the notification that I got from the Samsung, not from the Samsung member app, which I mentioned last in the last video. This is totally different. So what they are saying basically in the video, this is the official announcement for the One UI 7, which is eligible for all the Samsung user, even for S21, S22, S23 to S25. I got the beta version long ago, and this is something new. And I usually guys tells you there was a line in the beta version, couple of issue has been resolved, and this is something that you need to take action on and started to download it, the original software from the setting. You can go ahead, go to the setting, s- update setting software, and start downloading the original it's not a beta version, this is the original One UI 7, what is designed for your device, and go ahead and it's ready to install. Just imagine this has been uh, people are waiting for a long time for this term to get this thing on their phone. And today, in this video, you will find what is worth and what is not. And I thank you so much, guys, for watching my video and supporting me for that. For I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. If this video was helpful, give a like and share to the other